I'm videotaping Manda put chocolate milk in a cup thing. There's the cup thing. And there's Manda. Here, try. Ew. Oh, you using that? Okay, try the lid.
Okay.
To put the chocolate on. No, get the chocolate.
Oh, okay.
No, you have to go get the chocolate, dumb one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the chocolate's over there.
Okay.
Do it slowly, God. Carefully. You didn't pour any on.
You see?
Pour a tiny bit. Tiny bit. Tiny bit. Okay, that's good.
Just for fun. Make more. I wanted to say this. The time I spent for you for 50 trillion years. Okay. Now I will I got it again. Just for fun again.
To the left.
Need more chocolate milk. Observe. Now, I showed it. I wanted to say this for 50 million 5,000 Googleplex trillion.
If you spill that, I'm gonna kill you.
56,050.
You know Mom can't afford these Luna M&Ms.
502,000 years to tell you that.
Crack my leg. Okay, now that's all.
Okay, let's try now.
Amanda, Amanda. What are you drinking?
Hey, let's try this.
Amanda, stop! No, that won't fit in the cup. Okay. Just drink it out of the cup.
That was just for fun, so yeah.
Why putting it back when you drank out of it?
This time it means more milk.
Whatever, she's just gonna drink it. Drink it.
Chug, chug, okay. You expect me to say? Push down. Push up.